Minim say we a very touchy subject, but maybe so. We are in charge of chieftaincy. Intinia Dormaahene Etotumani Asantehene. Who say?
We will say that again. Sankas as some way or catcher Asantehena Motiwa, Mamutisa, Mutimi Kabin channel. We will say that again. I'm telling you, somebody needs to talk to him because Nima Otumfuor more money or he didn't to me be my or my way. I'm telling you. Yeah, your mama said twice. He went to the footsteps of Otumfuor and said, Otumfuor, as a massive man, help us out. I said, each time Otumfuor will save the nation. Unim said, their friend said 2000 election, and your Otumfuor will not see ya. I can get a get to Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share, me the two man now on sa can be. Into that me bisa say, hey, rade, baby, I do. Obi sorry in Kenya Zambia or Ghana. I want a chairman general, Sefa or Kenya Sasem. Obisa, Chieftaincy minister say, ain't kwasi some way out on him back on Oyano, Muntimi Kabiana. What Kayaka said, you are him from you, Baku to for Baku, your friends said, Dormaahene way to be papa. Excuse me, my language. When I can say, Dormaahene, Brimpon was or Cassa say, you put your crime if I can't Cassan by a betos.
What do you Dormaahene? What do you Dormaahene?
Dormaahene.
Ya unimno.
Osaji for sia die yo adwumambadu.
I so unimno.
Minimno pa.
Uni Otumfuor Asantehene.
Pa. Otiko course open so minimno.
Minim say we a very touchy subject, but maybe so. We are in charge of chieftaincy. Intinia Dormaahene Etotumani Asantehene. Who say?
Kwame ehono ense me mpanyimfo bia kasa.
Good.
On say Dormaahene papa.
Tell me
Otumfuor so papa. But looking at the way things are going, they are the two powerful or part of the two powerful kings we have in the country. And omo effort in resolving most issues in the country. Kwame ever high.
Very.
There are structures we cannot do away with as a country. And as a uti near Mika efa Saudi king, Saudi prince.
And
Morocco. And Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Omwa him for no ne transforming countries ni siu.
Yeah.
So clearly Ghana ye bet me use ye chieftaincy no so a transforming Ghana. Into my the other negative aspect, but we should look at what good aspect can we get out of them. So that one crisis a buy. And your people want to resolve here.
Oh no?
Ghana is so and Fonso. I chieftaincy minister. Who have a driver so I can say Dormaahene Brimpon. Ah, what you mean where you or sat or bar or Cassat say Nitia family? Where you're Brimpon. What are you talking about? Officer him you know, ya dey took a so. Akunya bi wa transfer ugu akunya no mfi. Because akunya bi wa osuno ban no and fata akunya no. Ya kasa obi your Brimpon and by virtue of ne kasa and then ne kasa obi your Brimpon or the income or the ba. Or your beer or in leadership by example. What is Dormaahene leading at the Dormaahene? Is it because you have taken him as away? Their president? What is going on? He's fueling Myanmar is not there. His imaginations. Is that what you call a prominent chief? Let's go explain the space. I know he is an NDC member. I know. So you people should talk to him. Because who be? We will say that again. Sankas as some way or catcher Asantehene Motiwa, Mamutisa, Mutimi Kabin channel. We will say that again. I'm telling you. Somebody needs to talk to him. Because Nima Otumfuor more money or he didn't mean you be my or my way. I'm telling you. To like kingdom come. Take it again. We say Nima Otumfuor I am a mother Ghana or he didn't be any Ghana bet me be a mine. And you Otumfuor can pick me a coin and then release a dining before I can see. Your mama said twice. He went to the footsteps of Otumfuor and said, Otumfuor, as a massive man, help us out. I said, each time Otumfuor will save the nation. Unim said, your friend said 2000 election, and you Otumfuor will not see I can get a get to Unim sa. Dormaahene ya edu baby oseme sorry Otumfuor a friend of his master enye kwasasam sorry. Do you know how many times Otumfuor has saved this country? Are we so dumb? Say Obia way say no, we pay him back and we sit aloof and watch somebody else insult him in the name of chieftaincy? Are we mad? Distorting what? History? Are we mad people? Don't let me get angry. Because Obia Sabi or you be or ya brempon, I am a bar or my bakumase, no one behuno no, sign panny and fire. I don't Ghana, ye be mama, musa. People are quiet. Penifo come sister, penifo be near. I have no go more as Anteno Cran Metiase. Yeah, young overlord, and you are silent. Are you happy? Kwasi asemna papa ne yana wo yeti Otumfuor, you are happy. You are laughing. Ebeba nkrom. Masa. Call a spade a spade. Nya Dormaahene ya no. Nyansa bia nim. Emfa nka bomu mren. Emfa bibia mren. Ya kohwa amamre Otumfuor ye ya. Odi nka bomu ebre odi ne na hem. Ya komela. When ni ohene amamre no ye no otiase jaman tiase dibi mami dibi ye nyina to nsande enu ne fa ni nkabom those times certain tribes minim ene ni enti ye jai ye no de ne yi ba no bia dibi ye kuro manfe okon ma ye obi e fa no odadidi ni duwa ye nyina to nsane didi. You're solving all the problems in the house. And then your friend will be progressive in nature. Otumfuor on Kwatina Begamu da and more. Dormaahene the classmates or below him. Dormaahene wants to be known. Dormaahene wants to be visible into riding on the success of Otumfuor. Massa, you're steady. No more. We won't condone it. If a California to me, we will act. There are laws, law. Now you are distorting the history. You better even work on Supreme Court. You said you are a judge. You claim you know all the book. Now can you say, "Wo amuna wo kasan, wo nya Dormaahene, wo nya bunu nipo." Do you know that? I expose you, Sefa, subscribe, share. But do to my answer, Manuasi.